National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hancock County, southeastern Henderson County, southwestern Warren County, northwestern McDonough County, until 8 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Blandonsville, or 13 miles northwest of Macomb, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sciota, La Harpe, Blandonsville, and Raritan around 7:40 p.m. Media around 7:45 p.m. Smithshire, Onoma, Roseville, Swan Creek, and Warren County Fairgrounds around 7:50 p.m. A severe